Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Edge not responding in Windows 10 and 11 or Microsoft Edge not opening in Windows 10 and 11. If yours is not opening at all, what we can do is to right click on a Start or Windows icon and click on Settings right here. From here we click on Apps and we can search from this list Edge, and Microsoft Edge should pop up. Now select Microsoft Edge and click on Modify right here. Click on Yes. And what we're going to do is to repair Microsoft Edge. And don't worry, because your browser data and settings won't be affected. So just click on Repair and it should start repairing your Microsoft Edge. And just wait for this repair tool to complete the process. And just say download done and install Microsoft Edge again. And you can try to open it once this troubleshooter is done repairing our app. Now, if that does not work, we can go to the home page, click on Windows Update right here at the top, or this Update and Security option, and make sure that your Windows version is up to date. You can click on Check for Updates and install the necessary updates that can help fix our problem with Microsoft Edge. Now, if your Edge is not responding, we can then open Edge right here and click on the three dots at the top right and click on Settings from these options. From here, we click on Reset Settings from the options at the left. It should be at the bottom part. And we click on Restore Settings to their default values. It will reset our startup page and turn off the extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. And it should help solve our problem. So click on Reset right here. And now settings are reset. And you can then try to reopen the Microsoft Edge and it should work well now. And that is how you can basically fix Microsoft Edge not responding or not opening in your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.